Hello, everyone, and welcome to the TECNI channel. If you are designing a lifting system, a structural assembly, or even just a simple tether, then there is a high chance that you'll ask yourself the question, should I use wire rope or chain? Both have been industry standards for decades, but they offer different characteristics that make them suited for different purposes. In this video, we are comparing them head to head to help you decide which is the right fit for your specific application. The first major difference between the two is their weight. Generally speaking, steel wire rope has a much higher strength to weight ratio than chain because of how it is constructed. Wire rope is made up of many individual steel wire strands twisted together to create internal friction and distribute load. This means that when minimum braking load is kept equal, a wire rope assembly will almost always be lighter and smaller than a comparable chain. This makes wire rope the preferred choice for applications where weight is a critical factor, namely in long-span suspension systems. Wire rope provides consistent fluid movement because of how it is constructed. Its shape and flexibility allows it to run easily over sheaves and pulleys without the jerking motion that you might expect with a chain. This is why you'll commonly see wire rope used in gym equipment and garage doors. Chain, on the other hand, is articulated. While it can't run over a smooth pulley, it is much easier to shorten or adjust on the fly using hooks and shackles. It is also far more forgiving if it gets crushed and cannot be kinked in the same way that cable can, whereas a sharp bend in a wire rope can cause permanent damage to the strands. Cost is another deciding factor. Generally, steel wire rope is more cost effective to manufacture than chain. This is because chain requires labor intensive processes like precision welding, forming, and heat treating for each individual link. This often drives up the price. If you are budget conscious and don't require the extreme ruggedness of chain, wire rope usually offers the best value per unit of length. When it comes to pure durability and use in rough, abrasive environments, chain is the clear winner. Because of its solid, articulated design, it can handle the sharp edges, extreme heat, and severe abrasion that would quickly destroy a wire rope. Wire rope is more delicate. It can kink, crush, or suffer from strand damage if dragged over rough surfaces, while chain, on the other hand, is far more suited for consistent use in these tough industrial conditions. Safety is always the priority, and the way these materials fail is an important final consideration. One of the biggest advantages of steel wire rope is that it usually gives you a warning before it fails. As the rope wears, individual outer wires will break, often called fish hooks, and by performing regular visual inspections, you can see the rope deteriorating and then replace it before a catastrophic failure occurs. Chain failure is often more sudden. While you can inspect links for stretch or gouges, a chain link can sometimes snap without the same visible warnings that you get with wire rope. So, which one should you choose? If your priority is a lightweight, high strength, and smooth running assembly that offers clear visual signs of wear, then steel wire rope is your best bet. But if you need something rugged, easy to adjust, and resistant to crushing or kinking in harsh industrial environments, then chain might be the way to go. We hope this video helps you make a more informed decision for your next project. And whether you're looking for high quality wire rope, aircraft cable, or specialized end fittings, you can browse our full range at www.techni.uk. And if you have more specific questions about material selection or custom assemblies, our team is always here to help. You can reach us at sales@techni.uk. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.